Imagine a world where cleaning your home becomes not only easy but almost magical. Imagine a device that can vacuum, wash, and dry your floors in a single pass, all while ensuring a fresh and odor-free environment. This device exists and it is called the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro. Today, let me take you on a fascinating journey to discover this revolutionary tool that will transform the way you clean. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features. Sell hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price available. This product is perfect for active households looking for a quick and effective cleaning solution for various surfaces. From carpets to hard floors, it is particularly suitable for those who want minimal maintenance with impeccable results. At first glance, the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro stands out with its sleek and modern design, featuring sophisticated colors of black, titanium, and bossa nova blue. It is as beautiful as it is effective, but it's not just a matter of appearance. This 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner is designed to perform. Its lightweight wood of 5 kilos and compact dimensions make it a maneuverable device that is easy to store. Innovation begins with the dual-tank technology of the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro. Gone are the days when you had to clean your floors with increasingly dirty water. Thanks to this ingenious system, clean water and the cleaning solution are separated from the dirty water. This allows you to clean your floors with fresh water every time, ensuring optimal cleanliness. The 0.82L clean water tank and the 0.62L dirty water tank are large enough to allow for a complete cleaning without frequent interruptions to refill or empty them. And guess what? You can place your order by clicking on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. What makes the C3 Pro truly exceptional is its versatility. Whether you have tiles, sealed hardwood floors, laminate, or carpets, this device adapts to all surfaces. Imagine effortlessly transitioning from one surface to another with the electronic touch controls. A simple press of a button allows you to switch from cleaning hard floors to carpets, deeply refreshing them and removing stubborn stains. Now let's talk about the automatic self-cleaning feature, a function that makes maintaining the device almost as easy as using it. After each cleaning session, simply press a button and the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro will take care of itself. It will eliminate dirt, hair, and debris from the brush roll, leaving you with the device ready to use at any time without the hassle of manual cleaning. Another remarkable aspect of this vacuum cleaner is the Fresh Start odor management system. It includes an antibacterial filter and a specially designed brush roll to prevent unpleasant odors and maintain continuous freshness. The included 1L Fresh Start cleaning solution is not only effective at removing dirt, but it also leaves a pleasant fragrance in your home, transforming cleaning into a sensorially enjoyable experience. The compatible accessories and BCL cleaning solutions perfectly complement your BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro, providing even more impressive cleaning results. Accessories such as the BCL 3096, 3556 and 1789 litre solutions are specially designed to maximize the performance of your device, ensuring that every corner of your home is impeccably clean. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. With a limited 2-year warranty, the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro is designed to last, providing you with the peace of mind you deserve. And don't forget the importance of ease of assembly and maintenance. The maintenance instructions are easy to follow, making every aspect of using this device a breeze. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Versatility cleans carpets and hard floors effectively, removing both wet and dry dirt. Advantage number 2. Dual tank technology separates clean water from dirty water, ensuring always clean cleaning with clean water. Advantage number 3. Self-cleaning automatic function to clean the brush roll and the interior of the device after each use. Advantage number 4. Odor management. The Fresh Start system prevents bad odors and keeps the device fresh. Advantage number 5. The included natural cleaning solution provides effective cleaning and leaves a fresh scent in the home. Advantage number 6. Easy to use. Electronic touch control for quickly changing cleaning surfaces. Advantage number 7. Lightweight and maneuverable, weighing 5 kg and featuring a compact design for easy use and convenient storage. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1. Noise. It emits a sound level of 80 dB, which may be considered loud for some users. In summary, the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro is not just a vacuum cleaner, it is a revolution in home cleaning. Its advanced technology, versatility, and innovative features make it an essential tool for any home. It eliminates the chore of cleaning and turns it into a quick, efficient, and even enjoyable task. You cannot afford to miss this opportunity to transform your daily life. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see the 941 enthusiastic customer reviews sharing their positive experiences with the BISSELL CrossWave C3 Pro. You will be convinced that this is the best investment you can make for your home. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.